You guys ever wonder what would happen if you mounted a selfie stick on the back of your drone to get that third-person view or POV view? What do you think would happen? Would the accelerometer and the gyroscope on your flight controller completely freak out and your drone would end up crashing and burning? Or will it soar like an eagle? We're going to find out today. So, this is the test setup. The same X Class drone as my last video. That would be the Inav position hold video. A lot of people asked what my PID settings were for that. I guess I'll take a screenshot and I'll embed it into this video. Alright, so real quick, we're in Inav. We're running configurator 7.1.1. You could see the accelerometer was calibrated as well as the compass. I should be running D-Shot 600. I'm not sure why it's at 3, but I'll change it later. The idle can probably go down to a 5. 10 seems a little too excessive, but this is what I ran the last time around. And I'm using the Easy Tune. I've got the gyro and the D term turned down to 60, as suggested right here. 12-inch props. I'm running 13, but I'm just going to leave it at a 60 value. You can see over here, for proportional, roll, pitch, and yaw, I'm running high 40s. I term, you got to really bring that down, and I've got it set at 45. And I bumped up the D term just a little bit. I went to 130. Again, what values work for me on this specific drone most likely will not work for you, so use at your own risk. Those are the same PID settings without this telescopic selfie stick, so they most likely will not work. Found this on Amazon. It's a 3-way clamp, pivots, swivels, and I got 2 of them clamped on each arm so that I would have 2 contact points onto the telescopic selfie stick. I've got it extended 2 feet or so. And the camera we're going to be recording with is, of course, an Insta360. That's the Ace Pro. And just for scale, this is your typical 5-inch drone. And that's what it looks like. Another quick tidbit. I'm going to be running 2 5200 milliamp batteries in series, so that's going to be pulling 48 volts or so, and that's solely to power the individual ESCs and power distribution boards. I like running a separate 4S 650 milliamp battery exclusively for the flight controller. I've had instances in the past where the flight controller disconnected from the ESC because of power spikes. So this is like insurance that the flight controller has always got its own power source.
Booster.
Go.
Retro.
Go.
Vital.
We're go flight.
Guidance.
Guidance go.
Surgeon.
Go flight.
Ecom.
We're go flight.
GNC.
We're go.
Telmu.
Go.
Control.
Go flight.
Procedures.
Go.
Inco.
Go.
FAO.
We are go.
Network.
Go.
Recovery.
Go.
Capcom.
We're go flight.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
Well, that went a lot better than expected. Definitely need to work on the tune. If you guys like the video, drop a like, drop a comment, and if you want me to make more videos like this, let me know. This was my first full edited video. RIP FPV out.